Hi there, I'm Jason Church with TacticalSportsGear.com, and I'm the owner of Tactical Sports Gear. We've been around for about 15 years. Our website's been up for the past 3 years. We sold on eBay primarily before that. Wanted to talk to you today about one of our most popular products. It's the Oakley M Frame 2.0. This is it's sold primarily. A lot of soldiers will use this. A lot of hunters will use this. But it's a great little kit. Has two lenses. It has the gray lens. Some people will say the black lens. It also has the clear lens, and then of course it has a nice ballistic frame. All these are really great for hunting, for shooting, but all kinds of industrial purposes as well. A lot of people use these in factories. Comes with a really nice case that has a spot for the multiple lenses, and then of course you get this is an anti-fog solution, and a little bag to put that in. And then this serves as a little bag for you, but also as a microfiber cloth to wipe the lenses. And this is a strap that goes with it. That works for the M frame. Also works for a few other of the Oakley frames. One of the things I want to talk to you today about, though, is how to adjust or just replace the different lenses, how to get those in and out in a way that you could break these, but these are very durable, and a lot of people are just afraid they're gonna break the lens, trying to get it in and out of there. But I'm gonna show you how to in 3 easy steps get these in and out. Okay, guys. Well, the first step for changing out the lenses, taking the lenses out, whatever you're trying to do, is you need to just pop up this center clip to halfway, still connected in the back, but as you can see that we've opened it up to where it's not locked into that center hole, and then you're just going to pull down right there, so the center part is out completely, and then you're going to pull this way to pull it out of that side, and then that part is just going to slip out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in the gray lens. We're just going to swap it out, so you can see how easy this is. So you're going to slip in the first side, then you slip in that second side. Okay, so it's securely locked in there on both sides. And this is, I think, where most people get messed up is they fail to get one of those sides in all of the way, and then you're just going to take it, and I just kind of turn it right here, and then I'm going to push up here, and I'm going to push down here on this center clip at the same time, and it's going to lock right into place. As you can see, it's secure there, secure there, secure everywhere. And that's how you swap out the lenses. It's not too hard. It just takes a little practice sometimes, but for the most part, it's a pretty simple process. And like I said, these are great glasses. I've sold hundreds and hundreds of these, maybe even thousands of these by now, and just hundreds of satisfied customers. If you're a soldier, you've probably used these before. These are used all the time by the military. Great set of lenses and glasses, and I hope this has helped you. Hey guys, I hope that helped out. One other thing I wanted to mention was, we do sell all of these components individually. If you're needing just a case, if you're needing some of the Oakley anti-fog solution, any of those components individually, we sell those separately, and we'd be happy to help you out with some of that product. Even the frames. There's not very many sites that you're going to find where they sell the frames separately, and we do that. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out with whatever we can. All right, we'll catch you next time.